Merry Christmas everyone. Welcome back to my channel once more. So today we are doing something, these merry birds, because of Christmas is close to us. So you can see I am doing very light drawing here, and this bird I am going to tell in watercolor. And paper I am using, that is Chitrapat paper, cold pressed. While doing drawing in watercolor, you should keep your pencil very light, don't draw it very dark. I like these birds, these are looking very cute, so I thought I will do something for my video. Adding some ornaments and some other things in this picture. Now I am going to start watercolor in this. And for the cap of this I am taking scarlet red, and as you know, first layer we shouldn't take a very dark color, but scarlet itself is very little bit dark. And in watercolor we should, first layer you should mix water, lot of water. So here I am giving first layer of scarlet. When it will be dry, then I will see and I will add some more colors. And one side you can see, one side it is I am trying to make little bit darker, and beaks I am doing yellow ochre color. And like these are cute, and face are like very blush, very skin tone and light tone. So I will take crimson lake and yellow ochre and crimson mix. If you will mix yellow ochre and crimson, it will give skin tone, so that also I will do. And while doing face part, here I am taking same yellow ochre and mix of crimson. So basically here in my palette, scarlet, crimson and yellow ochre are close to, and these three colors I am using right now. This is I am making little bit dark, so this is burnt sienna and mix with blue. So if you will mix burnt sienna and blue, it will be dark color. So I am using here, but in first layer I am using with little bit water. And in watercolor you shouldn't take very thick color, always it should be mixed with water. Consistency shouldn't be very thick in watercolor. Here again I am trying to take scarlet red, and if you can see I am leaving white light also in between. for leaf I am taking sap green color, and I mix little bit yellow in my sap green to make it lighter. And this is my first wash in leaf. When it will be little bit dry, then I will add little bit darker color. Here I am giving light blue color. I am not leaving this complete white. Here also same color I am giving here. And in gift I am using scarlet red. As Christmas is there, so I am trying to use more red color. And this is orange and scarlet mix. And first layer I used a lot of water, and one side you can see I left light space. Mostly colors you can see I use scarlet, crimson, light blue, yellow ochre, sap green. These are my colors. Now caps are dry, so I am trying to give second layer, and this time my color quantity is little bit more so that you can see one side it is darker. Now as other part is wet, to give second layer, so I am trying to give background first. So right now I am applying clear water, and this is cerulean blue, and very thin layer of cerulean blue is this, and already water is there, so it is spreading automatically. This is the main effect of watercolor, and whatever shape it is taking, it will take automatically. And I love this effect. Mostly in my still life and all, you can see this type of water effect in the background. And down I am trying to give little bit green effect, because tree branches and all there. Friends, there are a lot of videos which I did, so if you like this, please subscribe it. You can see a lot of videos for in different medium for different age group. So now face is dry, so I am trying to give little bit finishing. And in this also my red color first layer is dry, so I am using scarlet again, but this time in second layer water quantity is less. And here I am trying to give with the pen little bit finishing. I am giving with pen, as these are very cute birds, so with pen output will come very nice. So you can see I am not giving outline everywhere, only some with some broken lines, some here and there I am trying to give. This is not complete outline. So basically this is watercolor and pen, we can say, this style. now background first layer is dry, so I'm trying to give second layer. And in watercolor you will notice um, after drying it becomes 20-30% lighter whatever color you applied first. Also I'm trying to give little bit darker because after drying it's looking lighter. It's about to ready. These are very cute birds, and birds are going to ready for Christmas. And this is white poster color, and I am trying to give some dots here and there in background, in everywhere I am. So just I'm trying to give snow effect. This is white poster color I am using. Thank you so much everyone. Painting is finally ready. Thanks a lot. You can see final output here. It's looking very cute. Thanks a lot.